Hi Chargers, Charger families and community. It's Richard Zimmerman, the principal at Marysville-Getchell High School, here with another quick charge. First, you might have known that the intro was a little bit faster than it has been in the past. This is because I've gotten some feedback and it was too long. Got it, so made it shorter. This has been an exciting week at Marysville-Getchell High School, the home of the Chargers. It was homecoming week. We had so many activities going on each day. We had a different theme for Spirit Week, which culminated in Friday's assembly. Actually, it was on Thursday. There was no school on Friday, but on Thursday's assembly, we have lots of video and pictures from that assembly. We were able to get a lot of pictures from the game that evening. Although our guys didn't come out on top on the scoreboard, they still played like champs, and of course our student section, as well as everyone that was at the game on Friday night, really upheld that Charger way. So thank you so much for being fine examples for the community, for our visitors, and for everyone. And then, of course, Saturday night was homecoming. We had the largest attendance at a homecoming dance in the school's history, well over 800 students in attendance. It was a great night. I'm so proud of our students. You did a great job at the dance. It was really a fun evening. And so what's going to be following on this video are scenes from our assembly, from our game, and from the dance. I hope you enjoy them. Wasn't that a great week? I really enjoyed going to all those activities and being able to document it all for this video. Yes, this video was a little bit longer than normal, but there were so many really nice things that were going on, so many great pictures, so many good events that it was really hard to figure out what to leave out. So, well, as a result, I kind of didn't. But I promise that the next video will be a little bit shorter. So please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Please click on that notification bell so you know when these videos are coming out. And until next time, once again, make it a great day the Charger way.